My pet hate is about seagulls. The top 5 things I hate about seagulls are: Number 1. They're huge. They're intimidating creatures and they're horrible. They're like flying rats. Number 2. Seagulls will hunt you down if you have food and may swoop on you if you do. So protect that sausage roll for dear life. For example, Number 3. Seagulls poo everywhere, and I'm pretty sure they have uncontrollable bowels. They always poo on your beautiful clean car as well. Number 4. When you have your bin out on bin day, they will swarm your bin and rip your bags to shreds. To give the council a good run for their money. Last but not least, number 5. Seagulls are vicious. They will attack you wherever you go. So if you're coming to Aberdeen, bring a knife.